Access Finance Empowerment is a support plan that helps individuals and business owners to acquire essential business assets like machine, vehicle, equipment, or tools that help them to expand their business. It increases their productivity and enhances their income without making payments in full. At Access Best Empowerment, we provide the assets while our clients pay gradually. And while they are doing that, they are also using the assets to generate income. It's simply a way of empowering people to grow with what they need and not just what they have. Unlike business loans where money is given directly, asset finance focuses on value creation. The asset itself is financed. That means the asset serves as both support and security. It is safer and more focused, and it ensures that the money is being used directly for its purpose. Unlike when you give money direct, the person might divert the money for personal use or other things. But when you buy assets, you make sure that the person uses it directly for the business. So it shows productivity and enhances income. Our program is open for individuals, entrepreneurs, traders, and small business owners, but with special attention to hard-working market women that need productive assets. Whether it's sewing machine, grinding machine, tricycle, generator, refrigerator, name it, any shop equipment, as long as the assets will help you to generate income, we are ready to support you. Business owners should consider asset finance empowerment because it allows them to acquire essential equipment or assets, tools that they need for their business at ease without tying down their money capital. Instead of spending a huge amount of money buying equipment outright, they spread it across months, years, in order for you to have time to pay and then retain your capital for generating incomes. This helps business owners to one, maintain healthy cash flow on daily basis and on daily operations. Secondly, it makes it faster for them to acquire assets when they need it. Instead of trying to save up a huge amount of money for a very long time before you will be able to buy a sewing machine or a weaving machine for yourself. But when you go for asset finance, you get the asset immediately and instantly it will start generating income. So it's an easiest way for them to expand. And also it reduces financial stress since repayment is flexible. When you buy assets, you are not going to bring out that huge amount of money at the same time. They spread the money, or they spread the money at your own convenience time so that you pay it where it's very, very easy. And thirdly, it increases growth. Without these assets, it will take a lot of time for you to expand. But when you have these assets, it makes your business to grow faster. In fact, asset financing gives business owners freedom. You don't need to wait till when you gather up the money before you grow. You get the asset now. You start to use it now. You start to make your profit now and repay gradually. That's a smart growth. The biggest benefit is empowerment. Clients can start their business without huge upfront capital. They can start to expand their business without trying to save huge amount of money. And also it offers flexible repayment plan, quick processing, and personalized support. Our goal is not just to empower, but to build lives and livelihood. We have many success stories when it comes to asset financing. I'll try to narrate one. We have this customer that we always fund her business. Is a fufu market woman. She is a fufu market trader like that. So she always use mortar and pestle to pound her fufu. She have a lot of customers and she only have boys, girls that normally pound the fufu for her. So one day we now approach her and then suggest of buying fufu machine for her, which she was so happy when we made that suggestion. So we have to go to the market, get the fufu processing machine for her. what happened? It makes her to reduce some of the costs by reducing the number of people that she pays to pound the fufu for her. Now using only one or two machine operators to operate. It also increases the number of people she supplies fufu. Instead of those people pounding, she's now using them for delivery. She has come to get many restaurants, many stores that come to count fufu from her. So it makes her business to expand, and she was able to pay it on daily basis at ease without stress. And now she's the owner of the fufu machine. It's very simple. Our processing method is very, very simple. It's not hard. All you need to do is to fill our application form at any of our offices, or you contact any of our ready to serve and committed staffs. Provide your business details and identification. We verify and assess your capacity. Once approved, your asset will be delivered and financed directly. The process is fast, it's very transparent, and you will be guided each step all the way. Our repayment plan is very, very flexible because we understand that cash flow varies. So that's why our repayment plan we tailor it based on our client's capacity. It can be daily, it can be weekly, it can be bi-weekly, depending on what works with our clients. Before we finance you or buy assets for you, we try to verify your capacity and we know what works for you best. Because the way a tailor will repay back his or her asset is not the same way like that fufu woman that I mentioned will repay back. This one is a daily business. But this person might take like weekly because not every day that she sells or people come to collect clothes. So based on your own circumstances, we try to tailor your repayment that suits you. So that's why I say that it's very, very easy and the repayment plan is very comfortable. Our goal is not just for you to make repayment, it's just for that repayment to be very easy and stress free. So that's why we try to study the capacity and what our clients, what suits them best and what they can be able to afford. But we really want to impact, not just to indebt the customer. We are very different in access best. We are really, really different because we don't just finance, we empower. We focus on people, their progress, and partnership. Every empowerment we give is backed by training, monitoring, and financial guidance. How do I mean? For example, you are sewing. You cannot come to us and say, I need grinding machine. No, we will not finance that. But you are a tailor, I need industrial weaving machine attached to my business. We are there for you. I'm selling tomatoes. You cannot come and say, I need weaving machine. No, that does not work. Our work is to tell you what you actually need is tomato grinding machine because it will generate more income. So we monitor our clients, we give financial advice and guidance when needed. We train them before funding them. So we grow with our customers because their success is actually our success too. At Access-Based Empowerment Initiative, our goal is not just to provide empowerment program, but to ensure that every asset we create or we finance creates real empowerment. This we do in three major ways. Number one, we finance productive assets, not just luxury. Each loan is tied to an asset that help our client to earn more income. Secondly, we support our clients with trainings and guidance. Before we finance, we train our customers on how to manage their equipment and how to run a sustainable business. Number three, we monitor our clients. Our follow-up team makes sure that our clients know how to manage those assets very well in order for them to make and generate more income from it. Through this process, our clients are not just getting funds, we help them to gain capacity, we help them to gain confidence, we help them to gain independence. We don't just finance, we build people. Our future plans for asset finance. Our future plans is focused on growth and impact. Number one, we plan expansion across communities. We are working to reach more underserved communities, especially market women, business traders who have strong potentials but limited to finance. Again, we have a plan on increasing on our digital access. Currently, we are seriously working on digital platforms that will help us to make transactions more easier and more accessible to help our customers to track their payments, to apply for their asset finance with ease from their phones. Also, we have plans to increase on our financial education. We have plans to scale up our financial literacy programs by increasing the number of seminars that we have each year. These seminars help our customers to grow, to know how to manage funds, grow their business, and also build a lasting wealth. Another thing that will really help us to achieve all these our future plan is investments and partnership. So we are calling out for investors and partnership because we know that there are many good leaders and influencers out there who really want to reach out and assist these underserved business women. They cannot really just gather them and start giving them money. Of course, there should be accountability. So they are looking out for the right channel to use. Accessbest is here. Accessbest is the right channel you can use to reach out for these market women. They have the idea, they have that determination, they have that zeal. They are active day in, day out. They really want to build their business, build their self-confidence, but just lack that access to fund. So we are calling out for partnership, investors to help us reach these potential business women in order to help them grow. Our core values integrity, honesty, and transparency. When you partner with us or invest with us, you will achieve two main goals. Number one is that you will be able to touch lives. You will be able to empower people. And you to give you that happiness and that joy that at least these people are smiling today because of me. And once they are happy, you too, you will be happy. And secondly, it will help you to have multiple means of income because our return on investment is top notch. Our return on investment rate is something no bank will afford. I can assure you that we really need to make more assets available and also affordable. That's why we need these our good leaders to really partner with Accessbest, invest in Accessbest for us to be able to reach these market women. Our vision is simple to make productive assets available to every hard-working individual and entrepreneur who wants to grow. A future where all entrepreneurs, no matter your background, can have access to the tools or equipment they need to expand. We are expanding our Access Finance program digitally, partnering widely, and reaching out deeper into our communities to make empowerment truly inclusive. That's how we continue to grow, to empower lives and build stronger communities.